Hi everyone, welcome to Diana's Table. Today, as a follow-up to our previous video on odeng tang, I'm going to be making 유부초밥, which is rice roll in seasoned tofu. It goes really well with odeng and it's really easy to make. So let's get started. First, we have to pre-season the rice, just using short grain white rice, and you want it cooled down a little bit before you start to add the sauce. You can get the exact measurements for making the seasoning, rice seasoning, in the note below. So just sprinkle a little bit and mix the rice. This will make the rice a little bit sweet and sour. So it's a very good combination. Mix well and set it aside. I'm going to use shiitake mushroom. Really, it provides, rather than using beef, sometimes you can. I'm using mushrooms here. Because I want it to be nicely, thinly chopped, I'm going to slice the mushrooms into thin slices first. Then and then again chop. You want to make sure that these are finely chopped, because if you have them in big chunks, they won't mix well with the rice. Take the time to chop it. So here I have the mushrooms and the red bell peppers and the yellow bell peppers all chopped fine. I'm going to be tossing this with a little bit of odeng soup dressing, and in the meantime I will have to chop the pickled radish and pickled onion. My recipe for pickling is available in the previous video. I love to pickle onions and use them in this kind of sushi or rolls. I have some vegetable oil in the pan and it starts to shimmer. I will put all the chopped vegetables into it and toss it lightly. To add a little bit of a seasoning, last week we made odeng tang, right? And the soup from the odeng tang already has all the seasoning that you need. And it really makes a good companion to this vegetable. So I will add a tablespoon, maybe 2. Especially for the mushrooms, we need that soy sauce base to make it taste better. We don't want to overcook it, we just want the mushrooms to soften up and we'll be ready. So into the bowl, I will put in the pre-seasoned rice that's been cooled, some of the vegetables, and make sure that you squeeze excess liquid out of that vegetables. You don't want your rice to be too soggy. And here I have a black and white sesame seeds. And actually the package of the tofu skins come with this seasoning, and it's good to use that. So we have the chopped pickled radish and the pickled onions. Mix it all together. So the rice mixture should be a little bit sweet, tart, and salty, and all different kinds of umami in it. I'm ready to put it into the tofu skin. When you buy tofu skin at the supermarket, you get them in this kind of rectangular shape, or some even come in triangle. Just make sure to squeeze out all the sauce before you put the rice in it. So take a spoon, make a little round like this. put it into the little pocket here. And be sure to fill it and, fill all the corners. You don't want to leave any behind. You may leave. This is actually the part where you can actually have your children make it with you. It's kind of a fun project for the whole family. And they can participate in making it. Here I have the triangle-shaped tofu skin as well. And it's a little bit smaller, and actually it's good size for kids. So you can use the rectangle one for adults and small ones for the kids. It's kind of cute. See, you get the little triangle shape. So we have 2 different kinds of 유부초밥 ready. It really makes it wonderful to take on a picnic, or you can serve as like snack, or even with your udeng, and makes a very wonderful meal. So I hope you'll try it this weekend and enjoy. As always, happy cooking and happy eating.